recognition of a nation. The flag connects the whole nation in one bond, the bond of love for the motherland. Millions have died for it, carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, flying in glory, moments of freedom, shade of and joy. To unfurl the national flag is a matter of pride and great honor for every Indian. I request Mr. Kamlesh Sen, Technical Director of Springfield Academy, Hungerpar, Sir Ali Hussain Borhuya, Co-Managing Director of Springfield Academy, Hungerpar, Sir Alimuddin Chaudhary, Chairman of School Committee, Sir Salimuddin Borhuya, Donor, Sir Jalaluddin Borhuya, Managing Director of Springfield Academy, escorted by our worthy principal, Miss Lakshmi Nath, as well as Morioma Akhtar Borhuya of class 10A, please come forward and deliver a speech on Independence Day. Morioma Akhtar Borhuya from class 9A. My warm greetings to an honored gathered on this auspicious morning as we become a part of the great celebration of independence of our country. Respected Managing Director, principals, teachers, other officials, administrative and support staff, guardians, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today, we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our nation. It was on this historic day in 1947 that the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, unfurled the tricolor atop the Red Fort in Delhi to mark the freedom of India from the colonial rule of the British government. 15th August is an occasion for us to remember the contributions made by the freedom fighters for the independence of our country and rededicate ourselves to the service of our nation. Today, we remember and pay homage to the sacrifices made by our leaders and warriors who fought for the independence of our India, like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, Maulana Azad, and many others in the national level. Kamini Kumar Chanda, Abdul Mateen Majumdar, Firoz Singh, Roholiani, Veer Vikandaji, and Veer Kambulan in local level. They sacrifice this bread and blood so that we and our future generation may breathe the year of independence, free from the yoke of foreign colonial oppression. We should remember not just the leaders whose names appear in history lessons, but also the common people who participated in the struggle at the grassroots level to shape the foundations of the mighty British Empire. Special inputs to our dear students. Ma'am, I request you to kindly come forward and share your thoughts on this beautiful occasion on 79th Independence Day and inspire our students with your great words.
A very pleasant morning to everyone. Respected Board of Managing Directors, esteemed teachers, dedicated staff, my beloved students, respected guardians, and all gathered here. Welcome everyone and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I, Lakshmi Nath, Principal of Springfield Academy, Hungerpar, delighted to have you all here. Best of our nation, and let us work together to build a future for all Indians. Let me end my speech by reciting a beautiful poem. सभी पंजाब, सिंध, गुजरात, मराठा, द्रविड़, उत्कल, बंगा है। मैं इस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण स्थली बन जाता है और सात समुंदर पार परदेशियों को भी अपने ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहकर बुलाता है। यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
किसी के गजरे
Green House. Now, I will request Blue House to come forward and sing their patriotic song.